Hello guys, and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to make a stand in Please Donate. Firstly, go to the Roblox website and log in. Click Create at the top or go to the Creator Hub. Under Creations, go to the Experiences tab and select your game. In the game menu, select Passes and then Create Pass. Name your pass and add a description if desired, then click Create Pass. Choose the pass and go to the Sales tab and enable Item for Sale and set a price. If desired, create more game passes with different price points. Open Please Donate, claim the stand, and open the Edit menu. Use the text option to add the text to your stand, then exit the menu by clicking the cross. Your stand is now ready to receive donations. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.